You've got a solid customer base, you want to reach them quickly, and WhatsApp seems like the perfect channel to do that. But when you think bulk messaging, what's the right way to do it? Can you simply send the same message to thousands of people? And more importantly, how do you do it without violating policies or risking your account? Today I'll break down how to send bulk WhatsApp messages in 2026 legally, safely, and at scale. Let's get started. Before we jump into the how, let's talk about why WhatsApp deserves your attention in the first place. Before anything else, this is the app people open dozens of times a day. Messages don't sit unread for hours. Conversations feel immediate and personal. And compared to traditional channels like email or SMS, engagement on WhatsApp is often significantly higher. For businesses, this creates an opportunity to send promotions, updates, reminders, and confirmations directly into a space your customers already use and trust. But bulk messaging comes with responsibility. If you are careless, you risk getting complaints, having your phone numbers blocked, or even losing access to your account. So let's define it clearly. Today it's not about blasting random contacts with generic text. It's about sending relevant personalized messages to people who have agreed to hear from you through approved WhatsApp channels. When done properly, messages arrive as direct conversations in users' chats, not as intrusive spam. And there are two official ways to do this. For smaller businesses with limited contact lists, the WhatsApp Business app allows broadcast lists. You can send a message to up to 256 contacts at once. However, recipients must have your phone number saved in their phones. There is no advanced automation or large-scale personalization. This method works for small, local businesses, but it doesn't scale well. For larger audiences, the WhatsApp Business API is the only scalable and official solution. With the API, you can send bulk messages to large audiences, use approved message templates, personalize messages dynamically, automate communication, track performance, integrate with CRM systems. To use the API safely, you must work with an official provider like SendPulse to ensure compliance with WhatsApp commerce policies and account protection. Before sending bulk messages, you need to follow WhatsApp and regional privacy regulations. Let's walk through them in detail. Explicit opt-in. Every bulk WhatsApp campaign begins with consent. Users must intentionally opt in before receiving any message from your business. This consent must be clear and intentional. You can collect it through website forms, paid lead ads, QR codes, in-store signups, or other transparent opt-in methods. Approved templates. For promotional or outbound notifications, WhatsApp requires you to use pre-approved message templates. You'll need to submit them as message templates and get Meta's approval before launching your campaign. Avoid unofficial tools. Third-party bulk sender tools that bypass the official WhatsApp API may look convenient, but they violate platform policies. Using them puts your phone number at serious risk of suspension or permanent ban. Respect privacy laws. Regional laws like GDPR or CCPA may affect how you collect and use customer data. Clear consent and secure data management should be the part of your messaging strategy from the start. Offer control to users. Communication should never feel forced. Make it easy for recipients to unsubscribe or manage their preferences at any time. When users know they can opt out with a simple action, like replying stop, clicking an unsubscribe link, or updating their preferences, they feel more comfortable, staying subscribed, and are more likely to engage. With the fundamentals in place, let's shift from theory to execution. Here's a clear, structured workflow you can follow to send bulk WhatsApp messages safely and efficiently. Step 1. Collect consent. Before sending any message, make sure users have opted in. Offer clear value in exchange, including exclusive offers, updates, helpful notifications, and share what they are signing up for. Step 2. Select the right method. Decide whether the business app is enough for your needs or whether you require the scalability of the business API. For massive campaigns or larger audiences, the API is the appropriate choice. Step 3. Prepare approved templates. Write clear, compliant message templates and submit them for approval. Avoid misleading language and keep your intent transparent. Step 4. Segment your audience. Do not send the same message to everyone. You can segment your subscribers by purchase history, engagement behavior, preferences, and location. Segmentation improves relevance and increases response rates. Step 5. Personalize your message. Use variables like customer name, order number, event date, or relevant product details. Even simply using customer's name can greatly boost engagement. Step 6. Schedule and monitor. Choose appropriate sending times and monitor delivery and engagement metrics. Use performance data to refine future campaigns. Now let's sum it all up into a few practical tips. First, keep messages helpful and relevant. Every conversation should deliver value. Second, avoid excessive frequency. Over-messaging leads to complaints and opt-outs. And finally, track performance metrics regularly. Delivery rates, engagement levels, and response patterns help you achieve better results over time. Managing bulk WhatsApp campaigns manually can quickly become complex. Tracking templates, segmentation, delivery status, and performance metrics across multiple tools is inefficient. SendPulse is an official WhatsApp business API provider, which means that you can connect your WhatsApp channel safely and send campaigns in full compliance with Meta policies. With SendPulse, you can create and submit message templates for approval, send bulk WhatsApp messages at scale, segment audiences for better targeting, personalize messages dynamically, automate follow-up flows with chatbots, track performance through clear analytics dashboards. You can also implement other SendPulse comprehensive tools, including email campaigns, landing pages, CRM system, and automated flows, and manage customer interactions across multiple communication channels in one versatile platform. To learn more, visit the link in the description below. Let's call it a day. If you found this helpful, thumb it up and subscribe to our channel for more practical marketing insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.